好，咁我好快 go through 咧，剩翻最後嘅部分4.5同埋4.6啦。咁我哋會見得到咧，4.5嘅部分咧，相對而言，你基本上淨係得幾個位置係需要做嘅啫。因為咧，其餘部分咧都係我哋 extension。咁 extension 嘅部分你可以睇翻 e-learning。咁啊，我哋先睇第一條啦。The absence of menstruation is the most reliable sign of pregnancy。咁啊，記住，永遠咧，我哋冇呢一個menstruation 咧，其實都係最有效去俾我哋判斷咧，我哋係唔係大咗肚啦。咁所以呢個 statement 係 correct 嘅。咁啊，pregnant women 咧，佢哋係唔應該做 exercise 咧，咁就唔係嘅，佢哋係唔應該做一啲好 vigorous 嘅 exercise。咁 vigorous 嘅意思就係代表劇烈嘅運動，普普通通我哋運動可以，但係如果劇烈嘅運動 vigorous exercise 嘅話咧，就唔可以啦。OK，好，咁跟住之後啦，我哋繼續落去啦。咁如果例如話咧，我哋成日講嘅點樣為之係一個 early sign of 呢一個 pregnancy 咧？咁咧我哋就可以咧去睇以下咧嘅即係一啲嘅情況啦。咁我哋可以見得到咧，就係第一個 feeling 嗰個，即係我哋有一個慾望咧，就係去想嘔啦。咁啊第二個我哋有一個 frequent 嘅 urination 啦。第三個就係 change in appetite。咁啊frequent 嘅 urination 就代表我會成日去屙尿啦。咁啊口味或者可能係我個胃口會有啲改變咧，呢個就第三啦，change in appetite。咁啊我哋可以見得到呢啲三個咧，其實咧都係early sign of pregnancy 嚟嘅。咁所以答案咧就會係 D 啦。好，繼續落啦。Which of the following statement about breastfeeding 咧 is incorrect？咁啊，breast milk will contain all the necessary nutrient for growth。breast milk is easy for babies to digest and absorb. The mother has a higher risk of breast cancer. The baby will has a lower risk of allergy。咁啊，永遠記住，我哋咧即係母乳嘅餵哺咧，其實係永遠都係最好嘅。咁所以咧，我哋都唔會有一個高啲嘅 risk of 呢一個 breast cancer。係反而咧會有一個 lower risk of breast cancer，所以咧 statement 嘅C 咧就係錯啦。OK，好咁啊，三四啦都係即係一個 extension，咁咧我就唔 go through 啦。咁我哋好快講埋咧4.6嘅部分。4.6嘅部分啦，我哋成日都係咁樣講，我哋將我哋一啲嘅遺傳或者可能係一啲嘅特質咧，去傳俾下一代咧，我哋叫做咧呢一個我哋叫做遺傳啊 heredity。咁咧，而呢一啲嘅 traits，我哋呢啲嘅特質啊，或者呢一啲嘅表徵咧，其實咧係可以透過咧我哋其中一個部分嘅 DNA 咧係去判斷嘅。咁我哋就話呢一個小段嘅 DNA 咧，我哋就叫 gene 啦。咁咧，我哋可以畫一個圖表咧，去 show 我哋點樣去 pass 呢一個嘅 traits within 一個 family 嘅。咁我哋就叫呢個圖表咧，我哋叫 genetic tree diagram。咁啊，喺呢個 genetic tree diagram 裏面咧，我哋要知道咧，永遠記住就係圓圈係 female，正方形係 male。OK，咁啊，如果油黑咗就代表佢係有 disease，冇油黑嘅話，佢係代表緊佢係冇 disease 嘅。咁啊，我哋可以睇一睇啦，difference among individuals。咁啊，基本上我哋咧個 difference among individuals of the same kinds of living things 咧，我哋就會話，即係點解我同你會有唔同咧？就係因為我哋同你咧有一啲嘅差異啦。呢一個嘅差異，我哋英文咧我哋就叫 variation 啦，variation。咁啊，我哋有兩種嘅 twins 嘅，一種叫 identical twins，另一種咧係 non-identical twins 嘅。identical twins 係指緊咧佢係由一粒嘅 cycle 咧去出嚟嘅。OK，咁但係咧，佢哋咧就分開咗兩個細胞出嚟，咁所以咧佢哋基本上由於係同一個嘅根源啦，咁所以咧佢哋係 genetically identical 嘅。但係如果例如話佢係一個 non-identical twins 嘅話咧，即係簡單嚟講，我媽媽會排咗兩粒 ovum，咁所以喺呢個情況之下咧，咁佢就會 form 咗兩個唔同嘅 zygote。咁啊喺呢個情況之下，佢哋咧就會 genetically 咧 different 啊。好，跟住之後我哋繼續睇啦。一個 cycle 咧，佢係 carry 緊一個 genetic information from either the mother or the father。咁咧個 cycle 永遠都唔係淨係咧嚟自一邊嘅，永遠咧佢都係 carry 緊咧兩邊嘅一個 genetic information。咁所以咧就唔會淨係嚟自於媽媽，或者唔會淨係嚟自於爸爸。通常咧就係嚟自於咧 both 嘅爸爸同埋媽媽。咁啊，most of the variation are determined by both heredity and environment。咁啊通常咧，我哋嘅 variation 咧都係咧會透過呢一個嘅 heredity 或者咧 environment 咧係去令到我哋會有啲嘅差異嘅。咁啊喺呢一度咧，咁我哋會知得到咧，我哋有兩種嘅 variation，discontinuous variation 同埋 continuous variation。discontinuous variation 舉個例子，blood group 或者可能咧係指緊我哋嘅一啲即係基因上面導致嘅。咁我哋啲基本上咧都係嚟自於 heredity 嘅。咁而另一種咧就係 continuous variation，咁呢個就會嚟自於 both heredity 同埋 environment 啦。咁啊，body weight 好明顯係一個 continuous variation 啦，因為佢係可以連續不斷地去改變嘅。咁啊，而另外咧，non-identical twins 咧，應該就唔一定咧係一個 same sex 嘅，而 identical twins 咧就一定係一個 same sex。佢可以係一個 same sex 嘅 non-identical twins，但係唔等同於佢一定係嘅。好，咁啊，我哋繼續再睇啦。咁我哋會見得到咧，喺我哋嘅 handspan 裏面咧，我哋咧會有一個 histogram。咁個 histogram 咧，我哋會見得到咧，我哋有好多個唔同嘅 bar。咁呢啲嘅 bar 咧，其實都好特別嘅喎。咁咧，佢咧就即係基本上係黐埋一齊啦。咁我哋永遠記住，如果佢係黐埋一齊嘅，我哋就叫 histogram。如果佢係分開嘅幾條 bar 嘅話咧，咁佢就係咧我哋叫 bar chart 啦。咁啊，邊一種係 most common range of handspan among 個 group 啊？好明顯就係由17.5去到19.5啦。呢一個嘅距離，呢一個嘅 distance，呢一個嘅 cm 就係代表緊咧呢一個 students 咧佢有相對而言嘅相同嘅 handspan。咁啊，有幾多嘅 students 佢係有個 handspan 係 longer 定19.5啊？咁我哋好簡單，我哋可以咧畫條線去睇啦。我哋畫一條線喺19.5嘅呢個位置，佢嘅以上全部都係代表緊呢一啲嘅學生咧，佢嘅 handspan 嘅嗰個闊度咧，即係佢個手嘅嗰個長度咧，呢個長度咧，其實咧係都係長過19.5嘅。咁我哋喺呢度我哋會見得到啦，第一，OK，咁啊呢個七啦，呢個就係四，咁所以咧，我哋七加四係幾多啊？七加四，七加四，咁咧 total 加埋就會係11個人啦。咁所以咧答案我哋 how many students 咧就會係寫翻11個人啦，七加四。OK，好，咁跟住我哋繼續再落啦。嗱，我哋嚟睇一睇呢一個 genetic tree diagram 先。喺呢個 genetic tree diagram 咧，我哋會見得到咧，佢係 show 咗一個 passing on 嗰個 color blindness 嘅。咁我哋會見得到由顏色由黑咗嘅話咧，就代表佢係有 color blindness。冇由黑嘅話咧，就代表佢冇一個 color blindness。圓圈嘅代表緊佢係一個 female，正方形嘅代表緊佢係一個 male。喺呢一度，我想問下啦，爸爸佢係有冇 Tom's 嘅爸爸有冇呢一個 color blindness 啊？好明顯，我哋透過呢幅相裏面咧，我哋會見得到正方形係爸爸，而爸爸咧係 individual two。由於佢係 individual two 嘅關係，所以佢係冇一個咧 color blindness 嘅。好啦，喺 Tom's family 係咪所有嘅 children 咧都 inherit 咗呢個 traits of color blindness 咧 from their parent？咁咧，我哋好明顯，我哋會見得到喺 individual three，即係簡單嚟講，Tom 嘅家姐或者妹妹咧，佢係有一個佢冇一個咧 color blindness，因為佢冇由黑嘅。咁所以咧，我哋可以見得到咧，即係佢哋唔係所有嘅 children 咧都係 inherit 咗咧呢個 color blindness 啦。OK？好，咁咧剩下落嚟嘅 both skill practice 4.2咧，drawing of bar chart 咧，同埋咧4.3 drawing of 個 histogram 咧，你可以自己試下去做嘅。咁其實咧，之前喺堂上面都已經講過㗎啦。咁啊，答案我都提供咗喺嗰個即係Google Classroom 度。咁你可以自己咧睇翻嗰個答案咧，就係睇下究竟自己有冇畫錯啦。咁啊，永遠記住，永遠記住，如果我哋畫所有嘅 graph 都好啦，都一定要有 title，OK？咁啊，而如果係一個 bar chart 嘅話咧，我哋 x axis 我哋就冇 arrow 嘅，而 如果係一個 histogram 嘅話咧，我哋個 x-axis 咧就會有個 arrow 噶啦。咁呢個咧係兩者之間咧其中一個嘅微細嘅分別。而最大嘅分別咧就係 bar chart 嘅話，記住啲 bar 係分開嘅，而佢哋分開嘅嗰個距離咧都係一樣。咁咧你可以睇得到咧，我哋見得到咧呢一幅圖咧，佢哋嗰個 bar 咧同 bar 之間嘅個距離咧應該係會一樣嘅。好啦，咁跟住之後咧，我哋就再睇 histogram 啦。histogram 嘅話咧，啲 bar 咧其實就會黐埋一齊嘅。咁呢度我都已經喺堂上面講咗啦，咁我呢度就唔多講，咁自己可以試下做，有咩唔明再 Google Classroom 再問翻我。好，我哋呢一度嘅debriefing 嘅部分嚟到呢一度，唔該晒，拜拜。